Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Mexican Train is probably one of the most engaging domino games out there, perfect for game nights with friends and family. This game combines strategy, a bit of luck, and a whole lot of fun, making it a fantastic choice for players of all ages. Whether you're a seasoned domino player or new to the game, Mexican Train offers a unique and exciting experience that will keep you entertained for hours. Number 5. Front Porch Classics Mexican Train Domino Set. This is the Mexican Train Dominoes set, also known as Trains. It's a popular game that's fun for all ages. Gather your family and friends for hours of entertainment. Players use strategy to get rid of all their dominoes. They play them onto trains radiating from a central hub. This game combines strategy and social interaction. This game is perfect for 2 to 8 players. It's great for family game nights and social events. Bring people together and create lasting memories with it. Looking for a great gift? This set is a thoughtful and enjoyable present for anyone aged 8 and up. Celebrate special occasions with this fun game. The set comes in a felt-lined wooden box. It includes double, 12-color dominoes, 8 cast metal trains, a solid wood train station, and a score pad. The high-quality components enhance the gaming experience. Front Porch Classics is dedicated to providing fun without screens. This set is a perfect example of their commitment to creating memorable experiences. It brings people together through play. The felt-lined wood box keeps everything organized. It adds a touch of elegance and ensures convenient storage for the dominoes and accessories. Keep it ready for the next round of fun. What we like? This set comes with a felt-lined wooden box and high-quality components. It's perfect for family game nights and social events. If you are looking for a premium set that enhances the gaming experience, then this is the one for you. What people say. Solid dominoes, sturdy box, metal trains, a nice wooden centerpiece, and even an easy-to-use pad of scorecards. The sturdy wooden box is going to last a lot longer than a cardboard box, and that matters because of the weight of a full set of dominoes can tear the corners of a cardboard box over time if the box isn't handled carefully. The solid wood hub and metal train engines, real metal, not metal-colored plastic, give the set a classy look. Number 4. Queensell Double 12 Dominoes Set. This Mexican Train Dominoes set includes everything you need for a fun game night. It comes with classic double tiles, plastic trains, and a wooden hub. It's perfect for playing with family and friends. This Double 12 Dominoes set offers timeless fun for all ages. It's ideal for family game nights, sleepovers, parties, and gatherings. It's a classic game that everyone can enjoy. The set comes neatly packed in an aluminum carry case, making it easy to store and transport. You can take it with you whether you're at home or on the go. It's convenient and portable. Looking for a unique gift? This Double 12 Dominoes set is a great choice for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's an entertaining gift that anyone will love. The dominoes feature colorful and durable tiles with easy-to-read dots. They are designed for long-term use, ensuring many hours of gameplay. You will enjoy it for a long time. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are committed to providing professional services and will respond to you within 24 hours. We are here to help. Our mission is to ignite joy and intellectual stimulation through innovative and engaging board games. It unites people of all ages worldwide and nurtures lifelong learning through play. What we like? This set includes everything you need, packed in a reusable aluminum carry case. The tiles are durable and easy to read. If you are looking for a convenient and complete set for family game night, then it is a great choice. What people say. Excellent product and very divertido. Great item, just as described. Great quality and fast shipping. Wonderful game. Great carrying case and game pieces. Durable. Number 3. Yinlo Mexican Train Dominoes Set with Sound Effects. This dominoes set is made of safe, environmentally friendly materials. The brightly colored dots are easy to read and calculate, making the game more enjoyable. It's perfect for anyone who loves board games and spending quality time with others. The Mexican Train dominoes feature recessed and painted points, ensuring they are durable and of high quality. You can count on this set for long-term use. We are confident that you will love it. The portable aluminum case makes it easy to carry this set, perfect for travel or camping. The case protects the dominoes, reducing wear and tear, and keeping them in great condition. This Mexican train game is suitable for 2 to 8 players, providing entertainment anytime. You can choose between a fast game or a long, strategic challenge. It's a great icebreaker for parties and family gatherings. With straightforward rules, this game is enjoyable for all. It fosters creative thinking and math skills, making it an excellent gift choice. It's a fun way to learn and play. What we like. This set is made of safe, environmentally friendly materials and comes with a portable aluminum case. The brightly colored dots are easy to read. If you enjoy board games and travel, then this set is perfect for you. What people say. Love playing this game with kids, grandkids, and seniors. This game is easy to learn and fun to play. Also because it has numbers on the display versus the domino dots which take a long time to add up at the end. Number 2. Queensell Double 9 Dominoes Set. This high-quality set is perfect for enjoying the classic game of Mexican train dominoes. It includes 55 professional-sized dominoes with clear, easy-to-read numbers. It's a great choice for game night. This domino set is designed for both kids and adults, making it a fantastic family activity. It's a fun way to introduce children to strategic thinking and problem-solving. Everyone can enjoy it. This set makes a great gift for anyone who loves games and spending time with family and friends. It provides hours of fun and entertainment for both kids and adults. It's a perfect gift for any occasion. This domino set is perfect for playing at home or during family gatherings. It's a classic board game that the whole family can enjoy. It's a great way to spend quality time together. This set includes everything you need to play Mexican Train, a popular variation suitable for larger groups. It comes with 55 color number tiles, 4 plastic trains, a Mexican Train hub, a score pad, and instructions. You'll have everything you need to get started. The dominoes come neatly packed in a steel carry box, making them easy to store at home or take on the go. It's a perfect travel game for entertainment wherever you are. You can take it anywhere. This Double 9 Dominoes set is a unique and entertaining gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, Easter, New Year's, Thanksgiving, and anniversaries. It's a gift that will be enjoyed by everyone. Give the gift of fun. What we like. This set features Double 9 dominoes, perfect for both kids and adults. It's a great way to introduce children to strategic gameplay. If you are looking for a classic game for family fun, then consider this. What people say. The dominoes are a nice size and easy to handle. The trains and hub are well made and attractive. The game is easy to learn and fun to play. Number 1. Queensell Domino Holders, Wooden Domino Rack Set of 4. This set of 4 domino racks is perfect for various domino games, including Mexican Train and Chicken Foot. They are handcrafted to fit tiles up to 0.6 inches, ensuring a great fit for your game. The soft felt on the bottom protects your table from scratches and reduces noise. These wooden racks are sturdy and won't slide around during gameplay. These domino holders provide classic fun for all ages, ideal for family game nights, sleepovers, parties, and gatherings. It is a great way to enjoy quality time with loved ones. Designed for professional-sized dominoes, it ideally fits tiles measuring 2 by 1 by 0.4 inches. It is perfect for Mexican dominoes, Chicken Foot, and other classic board games. Made from solid, durable pine wood, these domino stands are built to last. The well-constructed design feels smooth and provides a premium experience. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are committed to providing professional service and will respond to you within 24 hours. What we like. This set includes wooden domino racks made of solid wood. The soft felt at the bottom protects your table. If you like to keep your tiles organized and enjoy a classic game, then it is a great choice. What people say. Lightweight and well built. I love the felt on the bottom of the rack so it doesn't scratch wood surfaces. Very nice domino, Mexican Train, holders. Larger than what usually comes with games and has felt backing to protect your table. It even smells good. Like natural wood. You could tell the manufacturer cares. It works great with our thin double 15 dominoes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.